Welcome to our channel. If you're looking for an easy and reliable way to access your Wix Business account, you've come to the right place. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward, step-by-step guide on how to log into your Wix Business account quickly and without hassle. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Wix website. At the top right corner of the homepage, you'll find the Sign In button. Click on it to proceed. You'll be directed to the login page, where you should enter the email address linked to your Wix Business account. Make sure you use the exact email associated with your Wix profile to avoid login errors. Next, input your password carefully, paying attention to capitalization and special characters, as passwords are case-sensitive. If you're uncertain about your password, don't worry, just click on the Forgot Password link, and Wix will guide you through the process of recovering or resetting it through your registered email. Once you've entered your credentials correctly, hit the Log In button to access your account dashboard. Here, you can manage your business website, edit content, check your plans and billing, and explore various Wix tools designed to enhance your business presence online. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication in your account settings to protect your business data from unauthorized access. Also, remember to log out from your Wix account when using shared or public computers to keep your information safe. Following these simple but crucial steps will ensure you have smooth and secure access to your Wix Business account whenever you need it. Don't forget that managing your login credentials responsibly is key to uninterrupted service and maintaining your website's integrity. Stay organized by saving your login information securely using a trusted password manager. And that's it. Logging into your Wix Business account is truly that simple.